Welcome to an installment of the INCA Library miniseries. Today we're going to talk about the CANTransmit optional add-on to INCA. CANTransmit enables transmission of signals in INCA over a CAN bus to a receiving system. CANTransmit configuration files are used if INCA must provide certain signals to a CAN bus no matter the test. So to begin, open an experiment that contains signals to be sent over CAN. Here we have a list of 6 signals that we want to use for CANTransmit. First, we must generate a DBC file, a database configuration file, for these 6 signals. Use the DBC generator menu item and click Start DBC Generator. This will list all the signals presently available in INCA. You can choose individual signals by selecting them, or if you wish, you can click Select All to choose all the signals. Here is where you can change the signal name as it would appear in the DBC file for different readability. You can also change raster rates, data types, and min-max values. When you've configured the channels how you like, we'll use the Generate button to create a DBC. Choose a location for the DBC file and click Save. Now we have a DBC containing these 6 signals. Next, we'll add the CANTransmit interface to our hardware configuration. So we'll add an ES892, specifically the CANTransmit interface. With the CANTransmit interface selected, you'll select the CANTransmit parameters to choose the DBC file you want to use. Select the DBC that was just created and open. Click the Apply button to load the DBC file. And now you can close the hardware configuration editor. Select the experiment to refresh. And now we will go into the CAN configuration. Select the Variables menu and go to Configure Output Channels. Here we see a list of the 6 signals from the DBC file. These are signals broken into messages for the CAN bus. Now we'll need to select the source data from the signals in our experiment that correlates to these signals on the CAN bus. You can individually assign measurement variables at this time by selecting each signal. Or if the signal name corresponds to what's in the DBC, you can choose Assign Automatically, and INCA will pair them. It's important to note that INCA can only support one CANTransmit configuration per workspace. So we'll choose Save this configuration. Saving the CAN configuration will allow us to use this same configuration mapping another time. Now we can say OK. And CANTransmit is now configured. Let's create a new experiment to illustrate how to use an existing CAN configuration. In a blank experiment, we can see there are no variables currently configured. However, if we have an existing CAN configuration, we can go to the Variables menu to select Configure Output Channels again. Here are the signals from the DBC we've assigned to the CANTransmit interface. So we can simply choose to load a configuration, choose our previous configuration we'd saved, and open. And the mapping is restored. At this point you can say OK. And now we'll see that in our variable configuration, these signals were added to our experiment to be able to use the CANTransmit add-on. This completes the walkthrough of the CANTransmit add-on. For further training videos, check out our YouTube channel. We also offer in-person courses from beginner to advanced. Reach out to your ETAS representative for more information. Best regards.